Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button before you go. Today I'm going to be doing a wig install. It's been a minute since I've done one, but I've been on Instagram, so if you don't have my Instagram, make sure to follow, and I'm going to be uploading more videos on here. But yeah, back to this wig. Okay, this is an Amazon wig. It's supposed to be HD, but they messed around and sent me a Swiss lace. And if you know, you know that's the thickest lace out there, and it's white. So I had to take this wig from helmet head to lace slay in a detectable. Okay, like look at that. It's giving please. But so yeah, we finna get into it. I'm just hot combing everything. It's best to press everything out before laying it on your head, so everything can be flat and ready to go. Y'all, I finally got my hands on this little pencil flat iron. I've been trying to get one for the longest, and they've been sold out around me. But yeah, I got it and finna put it to work. This is what the wig looked like after being pressed out with the hot comb. And now I'm going in with some cream foundation that matches my skin tone. You can go a shade lighter to give more scalp, but I always do my exact shade because I don't want all of that showing. And I'm going to take that same color and put it on the wig. And when you do this, you don't want to put too much makeup. Like, it might look like I'm doing a lot, but I'm pressing a little bit. I'm just swiping it across. Try not to press it in, because if you have too much makeup on your wig, when you do the melting process, sometimes the makeup slip through the knots and it be looking like build up and stuff be on it. So just make sure you don't put too much makeup, and then you good. All right, and then after this, we just gonna peel that thing on back and lay that glue down, and then we're gonna lay this wig down. So just keep watching. And I forgot which glue I'm using. I think it's Bold Hold, the regular one, if I'm not mistaken. When laying your wig down, you do not want to rush through it. So I'm just placing it forward like a little bit before the glue. I'm not pressing nothing down until it's where I want it to lay, because if you press it down too fast, when you peel it up, it's gonna be giving white like on your glue. So just make sure to take your time, and when it's where you want it, press it down with your comb. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and blow dry it on warm, just to like give it a little extra drying time so it can melt down a little bit better. after cutting everything off, this is what it's giving. And this is what we want. Like if we have a little bit extra lace, like we can fix that. I'm gonna go back in and cut the other side just a little bit. But you want to take some glue and go in with your comb and just put it up on there and do like 3 or 4 layers, and then just push the lace into the glue. And this also helps if you got thick lace like this one, because it'll make sure that it's like secured like the correct way on the edges, so it doesn't give that thick lace look. So yeah, just make sure you cut off like in a zigzag and stuff like that, and then push it in, and then it's gonna be giving blended like it's HD. Okay. Okay, so after pushing everything in, now we have to correct the thick white look. So I'm just going back in with my colored foundation, and I'm just putting a little bit on there, and then we're gonna start melting. And melting is my favorite part. Like after it's melted, it's gonna be looking real good, but after it's laid, it's gonna be looking better. Okay, so yeah, just follow these steps if you want to know how to melt your lace. Here I'm just going in with my olive oil holding spray. I forgot which one it is, but honestly, any holding spray that doesn't have like a white residue and stuff like that, it'll be good. I used olive oil, and after I had tried this one, I put a little bit of spritz on there, because like spritz is like the main one these days. So I just slapped a little bit. I don't be putting too much. Like I don't spray it on there. I just dab it on, but some little extra hold, because that's all you need. The olive oil spray gonna get you right, honestly. Because I tried the Sebastian. I've tried a lot of them, but I like the olive oil, and it's affordable. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm going in with my elastic band, and when I take this off, I'm going to take down the baby hairs, cut them, curl them, lay them down with mousse. You'll see all of that. And then I'm going to put the black neck wrap thing. I'm going to put that on first, And then I'm going to put my elastic band back on just to have some extra meltdown. And then we're going to be good. So yeah. See, look what it's giving. Like, it's giving melted and blended after the first meltdown. So that's good. Like, this is what you want. And when I do the mousse, I'm doing an alcohol free one, and you can just put that on there and swoop it, and then swoop it, and then just wrap it down again for some extra hold. And if you want to put a little bit more holding spray on it before putting your bands on, that is also good, because I be putting some extra spray on my baby hairs so they can just hold, and then I'll put the black neck wrapper on it, and then my elastic band. And then watch what's gonna happen when I pull this off, y'all. Hold on. Wait. What? Quit playing. Period. Yeah. That's what I said. Yeah. Quit playing. Tell them. All right. So there you have it. And again, this is the thickest lace. Like, this is the lace they use for synthetic wigs. And I just made it do what it do. And this is my first Amazon wig, because normally I tried it once. No, I tried it a few times a few years ago, and their hair always broke me out. And this one did not do that. So I think I'm going to start messing with them a little bit more and have some more videos on how to lay your lace, you know. So just stay tuned. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, because I will be posting on here more consistently. I'll be having vlogs and more hairstyles. I'm gonna start doing viral hairstyles and stuff that's seen on TikTok and everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, want to know something, make sure to leave it in the comments and I will get back to you. Yeah, and I'm Michaela Ariel, and I'm done with my video. So make sure to subscribe. Toodaloo. Bye, girlie.